Our next question is from GATE 2018 mass transfer for 2 marks. It is decided to extract A from feed containing 20 mole percent A, 80 mole percent B in two ideal cross current stages as shown below, using equal amount of pure solvent C in each stage. Component B and C are immiscible. 60% of A in the feed is extracted in stage 1. The equilibrium relation is given by this. Right, X is the moles of A per moles of B in raffinate, and Y star is the moles of A per mole of C in extract in equilibrium with raffinate. The mole percent of A in the raffinate from stage 2 is. Let's start with the solution. You can see here we have given that X naught we have given 20%, that is entering in 20% feed in 20%. So we will convert it in mole ratio. We will convert it in as 0.2 divided by 1 minus 0.2. It will be 0.25. This will be a mole of A per mole of B. And X1, since it is given that 60% of A will remove in stage 1. So X1 will be 0.25 into 1 minus 0.6. It is equals to 0.1. It will be here. X1 will be here, right? And X1 and Y1 will be in equilibrium, since living streams are in equilibrium. These are equilibrium stages. So we can see here, we can take one basis that 100 mole of B feed, 100 mole B feed, right? So we will apply the mass balance. Rs into X naught minus X1 is equal to Es into Y1 minus Y naught, where Es is denoting the pure solvent and Rs is denoting the carrier liquid flow rate, which is B. B is the carrier liquid, right? So X naught minus X1 in first stage, and it is Y1 minus Y naught, right? Y naught, it is a pure solvent entering into the stage 1. So we can multiply, it will be 100 into 0.25 minus 0.1. I have calculated it earlier, right? Es into 1.5 into X1. Y1 is equal to Y, since it is given as Y is equal to 1.5 X. I have already told you that these stages are in equilibrium. So Y1 and X1 will be in equilibrium. So Y1 is equal to 1.5 X1. From this I can calculate the Es. Es I got 100. If I got Es is 100, since it is given that equal amount of solvent is supplied, equal amount of solvent was supplied, right? So we can consider it as like solvent for second stage will be 100, right? 100 kg per hour or anything else what you want. So again we will apply the material balance for stage 2. Rs is equal to X1 since it is higher, and X2 will be lower. X1 minus X2 is equal to Es into Y2 minus Y naught, and since we know Rs is 100 and Es is 100 as we have calculated it earlier, and Y2 will be 1.5 X2. Why it is? Since in second stage also in equilibrium, so it will be Y2 is equal to 1.5 X2. From this we get X2 is equal to 0.04 moles of A per unit mole of B. So we will convert it in percentage, since they are asking mole percent. So it will be converted in this. We got 3.84%. This is the final answer. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.